What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Shoobs here. This is so scuffed. Guess I'm taking out another loan. Just one more test. Just one more test. I can be my record this time. I swear. Fuck. It's not just a regular JWK recolor, okay? It's got polycalamari propylene in the bottom housing and nylon polypom in the top with a UHM WHPEX Y and Z elemental P stem. It sounds way deeper than a regular alpaca. You just gotta try it. Ooh, yes, that's nice. Ooh. No, I didn't buy another new keyboard. No. This is used. I got it for like $50. Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, putting on rings makes you type like at least 300% faster. Did I hear a fucking rattle? You gotta really plug the butt here. Is that shine? This sort of looks like jizz. I should buy a Alice clone. How the hell do I use this thing? Yeah, GMK Greg is the best GMK set of all time. Does that sound scratchy to you? Yeah, Taeha is a fucking god, dude. Yeah, Taeha's overrated, man. Somebody shoot me. Dude, you gotta use Tribosis 3203 for tactiles, and you gotta not loop the legs. You can't use Crytox 2005 grade 0. It's too thick, man. You can't do that. And you gotta use GPL 105 for the springs. What, you use GPL 106? Man, you crazy. Yo, did you win that bongo raffle? Yeah, me either. Dude, there is no end game. End game is a lie. There is never an end game. Don't even chase it, man. Holy shit, this is definitely end game. Man, fuck. Yeah, Glarses' hate for MX Browns are very unwarranted. I think it's a good switch. Yeah, everything Glarses says is facts. Damn. Do I really need Taro? Dude, do I open it? But this is 200, but the aftermarket though. Yeah, stock springs are trash. Alright, let's get to the sound test. Oh yeah, I should buy a TGR Alice. What the fuck? Lord Deskeys, who art in switch heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy filming be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our thocc and forgive us our stem wobble, as we forgive those switches that wobble for us. And lead us not into high pitch, but deliver us from loose housings. Hail Deskeys, full of grace. Amen.